Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to understand what is the significance of purchase group in the material management. I will execute one T code MB5A. So we have many PR that are created in the system. Okay. Imagine you are a purchaser and you generate this report. So how you are going to understand that this particular PR is relevant to you or not? This is as per your commodity or not. Okay. So if you are working in the larger organization, so what they will do, they will define roles and responsibility and the procurement activity as per the commodity wise. Okay. And for the different commodity, they will have the different dedicated person. For example, they will have the separate person for subcontracting, consumable procurement, packaging, tooling, and there will be different dedicated person. Those will be handling this purchase activity. Okay. So with the help of this purchase group, so this is quite easy for the purchaser. So they can segregate their PR and they can start working on the that particular PR. Okay. So today we will understand how we can create the purchase group as this is part of the customization. Okay. So this is the path for the customization. SAP implementation guide SIMG, material management, purchasing and create purchase group. So we will go to the SAP and SIMG and in the material management under purchasing, this is create purchase group. Okay. So these are the different purchase group which are already created in the system. We are going to create new. I will give the uh, code for my purchase group and give the description. Spare part, spare purchase group, some random telephone number, random extension number I have provided, and some random email ID, and save it. And as this is one of the customizing requests, so under the customizing request we will save it. Okay. So we have done the customization and our customization is now saved. Okay. We will try to create one new PR. Okay, so when you will create a new PR, so this is the purchase group. So each time when you will create the PR, so you are going to assign the purchase group for that particular material. Okay. Uh, I think Z01 we have created just now, and plant for 1806, quantity 100. We are good to save this. Okay, try to save it. So this is created purchase requisition. We will Z01 and quantity 50. Okay, so this is also saved. Z01. Okay, so we have created 3 PR. Okay, so imagine in your organization there are thousands of PR that are getting processed daily. So the purchaser they will enter their purchase group and they will just check their report and they will find that among from different PR. Okay, so these are a lot of PR that are getting created daily. so they can filter out and they will start working only which are relevant to them. So this is the concept of purchase group. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you.